Her journey has been one of profound influence, inspiring Namibians and the global community alike. An alumni of St. Mary's Mission School in Odibo, Her Excellency, Dr. Nandine Ndaitwah was raised with a foundation of faith and integrity and compassion, values that have shaped an illustrious career. She is an accomplished scholar and a holder of a master's degree in diplomatic studies from Kils University, the UK, and a graduate of the Lennon High Komsomol School in the USSR on the work and practice of communist youth. Her Excellency, Dr. Nandine Ndaitwah's political journey began at the remarkable age of 14 when she joined SWAPO in 1966. Her activism within the SWAPO Youth League soon became a formidable force against colonial oppression. And as a result, sadly, in 1973, she spent her 21st birthday in prison. In 1974, she went into exile, dedicating herself to the struggle of Namibia's independence. And in 1980, serving as the chief representative of SWAPO for East Africa and the Organization of African Unity Liberation Coordination Committee in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Her Excellency, Dr. Nandine Ndaitwah played a crucial role in securing diplomatic and strategic alliances with the frontline states, including Nigeria, in support of Namibia's independence. During this period, she gained the respect of Pan-African leaders, including His Excellency Julius Mwalimu Nyerere, first President of the United Republic of Tanzania, earning her the esteemed title of Mama wa SWAPO. Her unwavering commitment saw her participate in SWAPO's negotiations on the implementation of UN Security Council Resolution 435 that decided the independence of Namibia. After 15 years in exile, Her Excellency Dr. Nandine Ndaitwah returned to Namibia and continued to serve her nation in numerous political and ministerial roles, including as a member of parliament. A trailblazer in women's empowerment, she was the founding Minister of Women's Affairs and Child Welfare since the year 2000 until 2005, advocating for gender equality and playing a key role in the adoption of United Nations Security Council Resolution 1325 on women, peace, and security in the year 2000. She served as a Rapporteur General of the Fourth World Conference on Women and Chief Negotiator for the African Group in Beijing Platform on Women. In 2010, while serving as the Minister of Environment and Tourism, Her Excellency Dr. Netumbo Nandine Ndaitwah was the African Chief Negotiator on the Nagoya Protocol on access to genetic resources in Japan, Nagoya. Her Excellency also served in the following ministerial positions, which were Minister of Information and Broadcasting, 2005 until 2010, Minister of Foreign Affairs, 2012 until 2015, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of International Relations and Cooperation since 2015 until 2025. In 2017, she was elected Vice President of the SWAPO Party during its 6th Congress, a position she retained at the 7th Congress in 2022. And in March 2025, she further cemented her legacy by being elected as President of the SWAPO Party, thus becoming the first woman to occupy that position. Her leadership journey continued with her appointment as Vice President of the Republic of Namibia in February 2024 by His Excellency Dr. Nangolo Bumba, the country's fourth president. And in this role, she significantly contributed to the ideas of unity, peace, stability, and social progress, defying gender barriers and rising through the ranks of power. Her Excellency, Dr. Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah was democratically elected as the fifth president of the Republic of Namibia in November 2024 presidential elections. The government and people of the Republic of Namibia honor Her Excellency Dr. Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah as a distinguished diplomat, a steadfast leader whose contribution to the liberation struggle, the establishment of an independent Namibia, and nation-building efforts remain indelible. On this momentous occasion, ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate the fifth elected president of the Republic of Namibia, who remains committed to upholding the legacy of the nation's founding president and father of the Namibian nation, His Excellency Dr. Sam Savishuna Nujoma. May his soul rest in peace. It is further strengthened by His Excellency Dr. Hifikepunye Pohamba, and further accelerated by the late Dr. His Excellency Hage Gottfried Geingob, and continued under His Excellency Dr. Nangolo Bumba. Today, we bestow upon Her Excellency Dr. Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah, as we invite her to join the revered alumni of the Namibian National Honor System as Grand Master of the Order of the Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis. Your Excellency, I submit.